Okay, I've got my 3 rows together and I'm back at the iron. This part of ironing is very important. It's going to change how your project goes together if you do not do this step. So I'm going to take one of my top row or my bottom row and I'm going to flip it over and I am going to iron these 2 seams out toward the edges. So I'm going to take my iron, I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to push my seams away from the center out toward the edge. And seam on the other side, push my seam out toward the edge. So now if you look at this piece, the one I just ironed, my seams are out to the edge, everything looks nice and flat. Compare that to the other one that I haven't done yet, the seams are kind of pushing up and it looks kind of bumpy still. So I'm going to do the same thing to my other bottom piece. Lay it out and then stretch it and then take my iron and press my seams out toward the edge. So slide my iron, let it sit there for a second. And my seams have been pressed to the outside. Okay, so same thing, my seams have been pressed toward the outside. So my center piece now I'm going to do differently. I press those 2 going out. This one I'm going to press these seams in toward the middle. Okay, we want to do this because later when we sew these together, if our seams are going opposite ways of each other, they'll sit together nicely and we'll get better corners that match up. So I'm still kind of stretch it out like I did before. Instead of starting in the middle this time, I'm going to start on the edge and pull my iron in toward the middle and set it there for a second. Pressing that edge down, and same on this side. Okay, so now I've got all of my seams pressed where I want them to go, and we can go back to the machine. We're going to put our pillow top together.